This presentation introduces you to the Let's Respond Toolkit website, a useful resource developed to help you with climate change planning processes for your area. You can access the Let's Respond Toolkit website by opening your browser and navigating to URL www.letsrespondtoolkit.org. This is what the website's homepage looks like. A number of tools have been developed and uploaded onto the website to assist you with the different steps that are required when you are developing climate change adaptation responses for your area. We will briefly go through these different tools over the next few slides. These tools are listed in the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. And as you can see, these include Let's Respond Toolkit, the Vulnerability Assessment Tool, Climate Change Response Plans, Stakeholder Engagement, and other resources. You would need to click on the specific tool title to access the information on each. The Let's Respond Toolkit page provides you with an introduction and overview of the initial Let's Respond Toolkit program. This includes links to all the documents and presentations which focus on how to integrate climate change into municipal planning processes. The Vulnerability Assessment Toolkit page provides you with a step-by-step process for conducting a climate change vulnerability assessment. A presentation showing you how to conduct a vulnerability assessment can be downloaded from this page. A vulnerability assessment score sheet and indicator tables are also made available for download in an easy and accessible Excel format. Additionally, there are different pages for the 4 steps within a vulnerability assessment, namely indicators, exposure, sensitivity, and adaptive capacity as listed in the navigation bar on the left. To give you an idea of the type of information available in each of these pages, let's look at just one of the pages of the vulnerability assessment steps. Clicking on the highlighted Step 1 Indicators link, this will take you to this page, which details how the step is conducted. The page also provides you with additional links and resources you may find useful. The website also contains a page specifically focusing on the development of your climate change response plans, an important step after conducting a vulnerability assessment. You can access this page by clicking the highlighted link in the navigation bar on the left. The page introduces you to what a response is and how one is developed. A presentation on how to develop a response or response plan can be downloaded here, as well as a draft template you can use as a starting point when developing your plan. Let's move on to the Stakeholder Engagement Toolkit. This again is accessible from the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the screen. This page outlines a set of steps to consider when engaging stakeholders during your climate change planning processes. It details why stakeholder input is important and how you can engage with your different stakeholders. Like the different tools we've already looked at, a stakeholder engagement presentation which takes you through the stakeholder participation process can be downloaded here. You can also download a stakeholder consultation plan template as well as a database template from this page to assist you when you're initiating this process. The Let's Respond Toolkit website also contains climate change related resources and information specific to different municipalities. This includes a range of sector and climate change related maps as well as municipal census data relevant to climate change. Now that we've introduced you to the climate change tools available, we can now move on to understanding how to conduct a climate change vulnerability assessment.